Look at that black girl, look at that black girl, look at that black girl.
Alright guys, so if I'm looking down, excuse me, I prefer to look down at my monitor versus the camera because it's harder for me to do that. So if it irritates you, I apologize, but this is how this video may have to be because I can't stop looking down. Alright, so my eyebrows are already like shaped and everything. They're already plucked. I get my eyebrows threaded like every 2 weeks. So I just recently got them done yesterday, so they're all fresh and done. But what I start off with for my eyebrows, I bought the Anastasia Beverly Hills it's like brush. Has a spoolie and it has the skinny tip at the top. And then I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow, and I am in the color Ebony. So literally, I mean, at this point, I'm waiting for my camera to focus. Focus camera. There we go. I'm gonna look into my mirror at this point. I just brush the hairs up, and I just brush them back. And this one here is my favorite brow. It just looks so, just looks so good. So honestly, I just take this, I go dip it like this on each side, dip in there. Then I take the cap, I go like this on the cap and just press it off, try to get some of that extra product off of it. I've seen people who do that with their fingers. I don't like that because makeup gets everywhere and So I just go ahead, go under my brow, and literally when my eyebrows are already like done like this, I'm kind of just defining the brow. Honestly, at this point, I'm kind of just defining the brow. I'm just defining my brow. So I'll just add like a little bit more shape to it. But literally, I mean, it's not a big difference, but I literally just add more product to my brow to make it look a lot fuller. Me personally, I don't like really adding products to the front of my brow. It's something that I haven't done. Like, I've tried it, and trust me, I used to do my brows very differently. But I don't care for how that really looks. So this is an eyebrow that is like defined versus an eyebrow that's not really. So as you can see, I don't really do much to the brow, but like darker and more hair. So I'm just gonna do one right now. So that how that looks before. Then I just take this it's a Ruby Kisses brush that I got from the beauty supply store. Literally if your beauty supply doesn't have this, then I don't know, but every beauty supply really has this. So lately I've been getting back into using the Maybelline Age Rewinder. Jesus. Woo. Age Rewinder, and this is in the color tan. So, and I've been using this to take up under my brows. I took the little puff off the top of it. Kind of wish I didn't, but I took it off. So then I just take this, I go under my brow, I don't go right under my brow, but I go under the brow so that I can work my way up. And then sometimes I just lift this brow. Oh, and I just got my brow. Great. And this way I just do like this. And then I just bring the product down. So I just fix that spot. Get that spot, and this is how the brow looks. And that's an eyebrow that is done versus an eyebrow that is not. So I'm just gonna do that a quick again for you guys really quick. Again, very simple, very, very, very simple. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on how to, like a how-to on how I do my brows. I love you guys, and as always, thanks for the support.